Welcome to our introductory tutorial for Look Converter. With Look Converter, you can create your own looks in any program or simply copy the existing presets and convert them into the 3D lookup table formats 3DL and Cube. In addition, we provide you with a great number of filters that you can download from the filter sharing area of our website and convert them into 3D lookup tables with the Look Converter. You can then use these 3D lookup tables as adjustment layers in Photoshop CS6 and higher, or apply them to your videos in programs like Premiere, After Effects, or Final Cut Pro X. You can also use all filters you create with the neutral filter in our tool Unlimited Filters. You may have already guessed how many awesome possibilities this little tool is offering. For instance, copy filters from Instagram and then use them in Photoshop. Or simply use one of your many Lightroom presets to edit your video in Final Cut Pro X. Maybe you want to use the same look for photos and video. With a little manual work, you can even copy the look of analog film and its development and apply it to your digital images and videos. Share your looks in the filter sharing area of our website and find new filters you can download and convert into a 3D lookup table with the Look Converter on a regular basis. You may ask yourself what a lookup table actually is. Well, a lookup table, or LUT, is a table containing target values for all color values that may be present. The software then simply looks up in the lookup table which color value it should generate. This means that for every color value in a picture, a different value for color, brightness, or saturation can be generated. You can find more detailed information on lookup tables in the owner's manual. Lookup tables increase in popularity. Photoshop introduced them in CS6, and video producers love them because they can run in real time in most video editing software. It's only a question of time until camera manufacturers will allow for lookup tables to be imported into the cameras. But let's get down to business. With the Neutral Filter button, you can save a neutral filter on your computer. This filter is a simple JPEG which can be edited in any picture editing software, even on smartphone apps. If you want to copy a preset, simply apply it to the neutral filter and then save the image. If you want to create a filter from scratch, it is advisable to use a picture as an aid on another layer. Now you can make all your changes that you want to have in your filter. If you like the result, you can delete the help image and save the finished filter. After setting where to save your lookup tables in which format down here, you can convert the filter you have just created into the 3DL and Cube formats with this button. Of course, you can convert several filters at the same time. If you wish to use your lookup tables in Photoshop, for instance, it is advisable to use Photoshop's preset folder 3LUTs as your output path. 3D lookup tables that have been saved to this location will be available in the menu of the color lookup adjustment layer upon restarting the software. In the last third of our Unlimited Filters video introduction, you can see how to use 3DL and Cube files in Premiere, After Effects, and Final Cut Pro X. When you create or copy a filter, you should always remember that it is not possible to add local settings like micro-contrasts, gradients, vignettes, sharpness, and blur filters or textures to a lookup table. You should always try to avoid these whenever possible. We have designed our filters in such a way that some of those effects are halted, but it is still possible that the excessive use of them may create lookup tables that cause artifacts. Have a lot of fun working with lookup tables.